Now, in this video, we are going to see the summary of the story Stormy Adventure. The story opens with a journey of a ship named MV Trishna that weighed 8,000 tons. And the ship is going toward Philippines. And what is the purpose they are going to Philippines? Because the ship is carrying a special cargo of food for the people of the small island in South China Sea, as the island had been struck by a devastating typhoon. So people living there had nothing to eat. They are in so much trouble, so much problem. And cargo of the food, the word written here, cargo means small cartons of the packed food there. Now, it is the first time that Vishal and Rohini both accompanied their father, Captain Kumar, during the summer. And their mother did not accompany them because she was staying behind at home as their grandmother was unwell. So during the journey, Rohini felt seasick. Her stomach turned. She was not feeling well. So you will find that during the entire journey, she was sleeping after taking the medicines. Then Captain Kumar was worried as he stared at the barometer. Barometer, which tells us the atmospheric pressure. जैसे thermometer हमारी body का temperature बताता है, वैसे barometer is a device that can tells the atmospheric pressure. Now, when Captain Kumar looked at the barometer, he was worried, and the reason is the typhoon LC. LC is the name of a typhoon. It was coming in the direction of the ship. It was a violent storm. So, before the storm struck their ship, it was very important for them to reach Mindak. Mindak is the name of a place where they are supposed to reach by Monday with the food stock. Otherwise, the entire food cartons or cargoes they get wasted. Now, the story became exciting when the huge waves struck the ship. Now, storm LC, typhoon LC had struck the ship. And what happened? Huge waves. When they struck against the board of the ship began to lurch. And Rohini got scared. Vishal became unsteady because he was not having sea legs and he walks in a tremble way. Now Captain Kumar warns both of his children to stay in the room as the situation became worse. Now what happened? The engine room of the ship got a hole. उसके अंदर क्या हो गया? Hole हो गया. Because the steel gangway had pierced through the front part of the ship. Now, what happened? When the hole occurred in the ship, water started entering into the engine room. पानी भर गया शुरू हो गया शिप के अंदर. So what happened? One side of the ship began to sink. And the ship changed its direction. Ship की direction change हो गई. Everyone on the board, every crew member on the ship, they tried to block the leakage. But all of their attempt, they were in vain. They were useless. Nobody was successful. Then Vishal. Suddenly Vishal reminded of a boat incident in Okhla. Captain Kumar's son, Vishal, he was a boy with a presence of mind. He was a brave boy. Suddenly, he reminded of an incident that happened with him in Okhla. It was a boat incident. So, he suggested his father that by tilting the ship to one side, उन्होंने अपनी boat को कैसे बचाया था? They all tilted, they took the boat near the bank of the river and then they tilted the ship to one side. So he suggested his father, so if we tilt the ship to one side and then we can block the leakage with the help of a wooden block. So Captain Kumar thought that idea is very risky, but still there is no other choice. और कोई choice भी नहीं है. So if they were going to die, then why not with a last try? So finally he accepted the idea, and finally five crew members tilted the ship to one side. अब Trishna है भी 8,000 tons. उसको टेढ़ा करना, उसको उल्टाना आसान नहीं है. So 5 people tilted the ship to one side. Wooden plug was made and fixed with the cement. And finally Trishna was saved. And in the meantime, Typhoon also become weak. Typhoon become जोर पड़ गया. And now finally Captain Kumar sighed a relief. He was now relaxed. Actually, he was a captain. The entire pressure is on his shoulders, and now everything is sorted out. Everything is well settled. He sighed a relief, and he was happy as the lives of the thousands of people have been saved. And it was all due to his son Vishal, who, with his presence of mind, saved everyone timely, and they reached their destination. So it was a sea journey where you find that how a little boy Vishal, with his presence of mind, saved the thousands of lives. Thank you.